Let's fix the leak.
Yes.
Oh, all that work has made me hungry.
Oh, well, why don't you just have this apple?
Thanks.
It looks like someone's having a picnic.
Should we make some more friends for the picnic?
Yeah, let's do that. The only thing you need is some cocktail sticks and some food.
Should we start with an orange?
Oh, yes.
And then maybe this lemon with a wedge cut out could be the head.
Yeah, with the mouth. So be careful with the cocktail sticks. You can ask an adult to help you with this. You can just stick them into the food.
And then attach another one to it like that.
So we've got one head there and the body.
Should we put some arms on?
Yeah, good idea.
Maybe you could get a grown-up to get a knife and a chopping board, and then you can make some different shapes out of your food. Ah, I think this is what was causing the leak in the roof.
And there you have it. More friends.
Yay! Party with us forever!
Play with us forever.
And what's really good about these is that when you're finished with them, you can eat them.
Oh, what? No!
Mmm!
And healthy.
Did you know you can also use vegetables to print with?
No.
Here I've got a potato that I've cut into a shape. Just dry it off a little bit. And a little paint.
Wow, and you just push it down.
Just like that.
It's great.
Why not have a go at home and see what patterns you can come up with?
Remember, you can share your creations by going on the online studio on Firstsite's website.
See you next time.
Bye!